Or from awesome people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you over 5 different fintech apps that you can save your money. Probably you're having issue with your transfers. You know, Nigeria currently is facing a lot of challenges. We are struggling with getting naira, we are struggling with getting cash rather. Then we are struggling with transfers, struggling to withdraw our money and all of them. So you don't have to suffer all the time. So now I want to show you over 5 fintechs app that you can save your money. You just withdraw your money from maybe Zenith, and currently Zenith is down internationally, like all over the world. I think Zenith is down. So a lot of people have been complaining that okay, where can I save my money now? How can I know that these apps are legit or something? They just want to download an app on Play Store and just put your money inside. You want to make sure that this app is safe and fast as and reliable. You correct? So all you have to do is to go straight down to your Play Store and download these 5 apps that I will recommend it for you. I've tested these apps several times, and a lot of people, I've checked their website, I've checked a lot of things before can recommend this app for you. That some of them are what I've been using for about 3 years now, and they're awesome. Grab. So the first one which I recommend is Piggyvest. Piggyvest is just an app on Play Store. Piggyvest is for saving. Apart from saving, you can also use it for transfer. You can use your mail to do a lot of stuff. You can use the referral code. You can use a lot of stuff. Just like cowrie wise too. Piggyvest, it's currently installed on my phone. This is my Piggyvest account. So like it's not installed. I use the web version rather. So I don't. I most times to try to one thing you can use to what's it called now to save space on your phone is to use the web version of all apps. Several apps they're having web version. What I mean by web version is like they're having websites, so you can easily use their website. I don't like putting apps on my phone. Like I'm having a lot of apps, just like I see in the intro video. I'm having a lot of apps on my phone. So this Piggyvest, I really appreciate it. They are having the option that you can easily save automatically. So maybe you are using a Zenith account, they will be able to withdraw your money, like they'll be able to save for you automatically. Maybe your target is to save 1,000 naira daily or something. So they'll be deducting the 1,000 naira from your account and saving it for you. You still own the money, but it is saved. You go up. Then you can easily use that one for transfer. You can use to make payments and the rest. I have one guy that all he is doing is that whatever any money that is coming to his account, he just save them directly to Piggyvest. Use Piggyvest account, nothing like Zen, nothing like UP, nothing like the rest. So this one is going to really, really help you grab. So that's the first one. Then the second one is which is like their competitor or something is Cowrie Wise. Cowrie Wise is what I've been hearing about for a long time. I actually have like some maybe 2,000 or 1,000 inside. I don't really use it honestly, but I think it's awesome as well. But you can try to just download the app, check through their UI, check through their complaint, check if they're having rules and regulations and all of them. I really recommend Cowrie Wise because at least over the past 3 years, our PG vs
One
Cowrie
new
Wise,
contact has just been saved.
they have been they have been what is a lot of people have been using and the rest, and I really love it. I love their account is safe. And what again you can do again is that what like just use your what's it called now, use your affiliate link. You can easily use it to refer your people. Let's say you're having a lot of people that you can refer. Some people have made a lot of money from it just by referring people. You grab. So it's going to really, really help you a long way. You grab. So now what you want to do is like you you just download this app, register, then put in your details and you're good to go. So the third one I'll be showing you here is my Palmpay. Like Palmpay is what I'm using currently. I actually love it. You can see it's open. I really, really love Palmpay. Palmpay is awesome. Palmpay, you can save money as well. Well, Palmpay, really why I love Palmpay is that it's very fast. It's very, very fast. Just like the fourth one that I recommended for you. Palmpay is very easy to use and the interface is very like it's easy to navigate for beginners. Just like me, probably some people they are not techy, grab. So they might be finding it difficult to use Piggyvest or something, but Palmpay is awesome. This video is not sponsored by anybody. No, I'm not yet an ambassador for any fintech app, but I'm just feel like okay, these five they are going to really help you grab. Then the fourth one is your Opay. Your Opay, probably a lot of people might know Opay right now. Opay is just like an alternative to Palmpay. Opay will you can use Opay to get virtual card as well. So I think they have one debit virtual card that people use for physical card. Sometimes they go. I'm not very sure. Maybe it's still working. So you can just go through the app and download. You can just try to install it, save your money inside there. This one is very fast. I've seen it over 50 peps since they say that okay, this app is awesome. It's very, very fast. Like despite that Nigeria is facing all these challenges now, but this app is still going. And a lot of people have been saying that it's very okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So I think I've seen several reviews, several things. You can also go to their website, check their rules and regulations, check their terms and condition and the rest. So if you are okay with it, just download it. But this is what I don't this is what I will really, really beg of you. Be very careful of the loan. Like this will pay the alpha loan. Most people just download the app just to see the alpha loan and the borrow money without paying back. So it's a big problem for people. So if you are viewing this video, I on Valentine Day, which is next week Tuesday or something. So I'll be dropping a book on something related to loan. I don't want to unveil the title right now. So you can easily message me on WhatsApp. I'll drop my video in this video description if you have issue with loans and all of them. So don't be very careful of the loan. Don't borrow money with the intention of not paying it back. It will really like it should not help you at all. It will bounce back. Like you'll be having a lot of issue with payments online, then you'll be having people chasing you up and down because of loans. So you don't want this kind of thing. Then even palmpay dey offer loans as well and flexi credit. So flexi credit is what a lot of people just borrow, they don't pay it back. So we have, if you are being in Nigeria, we are seeing some videos people saying palmpay I'm owing palmpay, I'm owing palmpay, this and that you grab. So don't borrow loan app, just save your money, use it for transactions and all of them, then you are good to go. Then if at all you want to borrow money, do it wisely. I break down everything in the book that I'm about to write, something related to loans and all of them. So just message on WhatsApp to get it. It's a free ebook, but very powerful. Just very short and straight to the point, but very powerful that it will really help you a long way. So now the fifth one rather that I'll be showing you is your VFG Microfinance Bank. VFD Microfinance Bank is what I've been using for over 2 years. I really love them. Not this one. V by VFD, not this one. Let me just say VP, but the account that I think they are both the same thing actually. So this is the one that this is the correct one I'm going to download. VP. You can see I'm having it here. VP, just download VP. Maybe it's an Apple Store or Play Store. Download it, register, then you're good to go. VP is the main reason why I love VP and I'm putting it last is that with VP you can easily create a virtual like account. What I mean by virtual account is that let's say your name is let's say your name is Shuku something. Let's say your name is Shukuma Michael or Shidima Michael, and your business name is like Accolade. No, Accolade is not related to Shidima, it's not related to Michael at all. You grab, so you just want to maybe your business name is something like Ella Store, Benedict Store, Benedict Collection, and all of them. You don't want to use your real name, you want to use your business name to register. So VFG with this one, VP merchant can help you. So I'll be breaking down how to use it in the second video. That one will be the second version of the video. So this one that you are currently watching is just fintech apps that you use for saving money. So in the next video, I'm going to break down how you can use it to create a virtual account and you can use it to make payments on, like you can use it to collect payments online, you can make transfer, buy airtime, and all of them with the app. It's awesome. I've been using it for over 2 years and it's really, really okay. You grab. So see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe if you are new to this channel. My name is Mike Akoli. I do a lot of things related to digital marketing. I help people with WhatsApp automation, WhatsApp saving contact, and all of them. Then I help people with lead generation, basically anything related to maybe converting your leads, then generating leads to your email, to your WhatsApp, and all of them. So you can book me for your Facebook card as well. So anything related to digital marketing, you can come to me. So as a business person, I share tips, share content for people that for business person, so they don't have to struggle, you don't have to be passing through every stress that people are facing. Business alone is not very easy. So as a business person, you have to do some things just to make your things very fast, automate most of them and all of them. So if you want to know more about automation, all of them, just click on the link I'll be dropping in the video description and make sure you subscribe, share this to help someone at least. Then like it so that YouTube can show my video to more people. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.